Hey guys, it's Katie again. I'm super happy to be filming with Shoes of Hollywood and doing some reviews on these shoes. Now, you guys need to help me because I need to know what your thoughts are as well. These ones are a little bit different to the ones I normally do. They are Fabulicious, okay? Always in the spotlight. How good's that? I love that name. These ones don't have my favourite butterflies, but close enough. It does have these beautiful little flowers and is a nice little blue box. What makes these ones a little bit different is they are really good for the races, a formal, a wedding, whatever you like, or if you just feel like you want to pop them on for the day. That's what I would do personally. These ones are a 5-inch I'll be demonstrating today. Okay, so I'm going to pop them out of the box and we'll show you because they do have some beautiful design to them. So, opens up like this. I love the blue, it's a very different change. Our little drawstring bag as well, so you can always keep them nice and safe. Lovely, lovely little bags that they do protect them. And these are an Ivory Satin, okay, so that's the colour of them. I think they're gorgeous, just, I don't know, I love ivory. Beautiful little flower here as well, so in the breeze, imagine that, blowing away in the breeze. Great padding. Beautiful bit of silver in there as well, so that would be nice and smooth on your foot. And a little bit of grip as well, so hopefully there's no slipping and sliding. I'll pull the yellow one out as well. Perfect. Slide this bit of paper off. Beautiful. Now these ones don't have any clips, but they do support you in the back of your foot with this little part here, okay? So I think they are very easy to put on. They just slide on like so. I always pop them on the ground and make it a bit easier. And they slide on just like that. On the ground. Beautiful. Love them. Really supportive on the back of my foot, as you can see there. I love that. Don't have to worry about tightening them and untightening them. Perfect height as well. Don't want to feel too high, don't want to feel too low. I'm a very short person, so I love any sort of heels. But these are great for, as I said, weddings, galas, day at the races, you name it, they'll suit it. I'll take you outside and we'll show you in that nice light. It's not a very sunny day, but hey, it's not raining, so that's all I could ask for. I love the sound of heels on the ground. Does anyone else? Or is that just me? Beautiful colour as well. Hopefully it'll clear up a little bit actually. I love 5-inch heels. I feel like I could run a marathon in them. See how the flower's blowing a little bit in the wind there? Do you see that? Oh, I love that. Oopsie-daisy. Now, do not forget to leave your comments, okay? I really love to read them. We always go through them, so please leave me a comment. Do not forget to subscribe if you aren't already to our YouTube channel as well. Don't forget to click the little bell, okay? You'll be posted whenever we have a new video. Hopefully you'll see me and all the other lovely girls who do show you all these gorgeous shoes at Shoes of Hollywood. Love them. Super easy to take off as well. So you've had a big day at the races, a big wedding, a formal, whatever you want to wear them for. Look at that. As easy as that to take off. Okay. Just like that. Okay. See you guys.